keep forgetting to vlog. I'm not a vlogger, okay? I keep forgetting to vlog. So I've decided, don't mind all of this stuff going on here. We're cleaning, so it's a mess. But I've decided that I'm going to, it's the next day, by the way. I'm just back to the same spot in the closet, just different view. I've decided I'm gonna fold my jeans, because I have jeans and pants. I have everything hung up. And then I might get another one of the, what are they called? Closet made, like the white rack things. I'm gonna get one of those, put it in a closet, and then put folded stuff on there. I think that's a good idea. You think that's a good idea? Okay, it's a good idea. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so today has been uneventful. I've just been cleaning. But tomorrow I'm going to be actually doing stuff outside the house, so I'll try to take y'all with me doing that. Hopefully I check all that off. It's just a lot of stores. I might get in a few and just be over it, but we'll see. I'll take y'all with me. Good night. See? I have so many returns from Target. I just been putting off. I don't feel like returning them, but at this point I have to. I just have to. I have to do it. I have to bring myself to do it. I mainly want to go to the home stores because I need some artwork on the walls, and I want some more decor. I want some more decor. I just need some stuff because my house is looking not okay. And I spend most of my time in the house, so it needs to feel good. It needs to feel right. So that's what we're gonna do. Get some beauty stuff at Target. There's also a picture from Target that I saw online. I'm gonna see if they have it here, so I don't have to order it. And there's a pair of slippers that I wanted that have been sold out, but we'll see. So that's what I'm going to do. I just got off the phone with my cousin, and she's here. She's over here. Well, she's coming over here, so we're gonna go in the store together. Maybe she'll let me record her. I'm dreading these returns. Alright, we need baby stuff. Oh, I need a container.
Is this the principal?
I forgot I need a container. This is one of the main things that I wanted to come here for, and I don't have a card. Do I really want to carry around a container? Do I? $18, no thanks. I'm trying to spend $8 is fine. Okay, we are going to Michael's. Like Lord have mercy. So we're going to Michael's. Like I said, she needs to find a couple extra little cute favors to put in her little favor bags, and I need to go to Michael's just because I want to look at a couple things, some fake plants and some picture frames. But also, so I just wanted to make myself a bracelet, and I just wanted to make a gold bracelet with my son's name on it. I just had the idea to do that, so I went to I'm out of breath. So I went to Michael's, that's where we're going, and I purchased some gold beads, some gold letters, and it wasn't real gold or anything, but still, $5 a pop for each container. Anyway, so they faded. Like, I wasn't in water. I mean, I didn't have the bracelet. I didn't have the bracelet in water or anything, and it changed immediately. So I'm going to return it because I paid for them, and they were not, I mean, wasn't cheap. Of course, they were $10 total. But let me show you real quick. So this is the gold beads. They're gold beads, and then I have the gold letters. I'm trying to hurry because she's waiting for me. The gold letters, so that's them, and this is my bracelet. It's like this. The gold changed to silver, and this looks like copper now. It's horrible for it's just horrible. I mean, even if I paid $2, it's not acceptable. Okay, so the alphabet was $4.20, and then something else was $2.80 or whatever. Okay. That was a nice easy return. They're always so nice here, so that's good. Let me find this girl right here. I do want to look for some what do I want to look at? I wanted to look at frames while I was here, and plants. Price these frames. Everything has been going so smoothly for me. Now, I'm trying to decide if I want to go to HomeGoods and at home. The store. I didn't realize there was a HomeGoods over here. Do I want to go? Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to HomeGoods real quick. Please don't let me regret it. What do I even need from there? I had this long list. You know, you have a long list sometimes when you get out. It's like, I don't need none of this stuff. I'll go on Amazon. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day. I didn't get home till super late yesterday. So I just left everything in the bags, went to sleep, woke up this morning, didn't put anything away. Was just doing stuff around the house. Let me just show you what I got. So I went to, as you know, you were with me. I went to At Home. I'll just start bag by bag. So Target, I got a couple things from Target, a couple things that I needed. Is this recording? Yeah. So what did I get? A little cute candy things to do a little bag. A little Christmas candy bag. These are for me because I have a sweet tooth. These cute little Christmas tree peeps are so cute. Got some green frosting with Christmas sprinkles so me and the baby can make some cupcakes. What else did I get? I got him some soap. And I was gonna say this is new because I would get a Vino baby for him. And so I went there and I saw Vino Kids. Like, is this new? I've never seen it before. But now that I'm reading it, it does say new on it. So I got him some Vino Kids soap and face and body wash. I meant to get some bubble bath, but I forgot to. So I'm just going to probably just order that online. Website, and that was unavailable to order online. And the store said, the store that I went to said limited availability. You have to go limited availability. You have to go in the store to see if they have them. So they had them, and I love them. They're just very furry and cute. And what else did I get? So that's all that I got from Target. And then what did I get from HomeGoods? I got a couple things from HomeGoods. I got some jewelry cleaner, which I needed very badly. Some jewelry cleaner. I never used jewelry cleaner before, but I mean, how hard can it be? I purchased this for my coffee. I love going to Starbucks, getting coffee. I love going to Dunkin' Donuts, getting coffee. I like getting coffee out, but I mean, it can really start to be, why is my battery dying already? Make a big thing of it at the beginning of the week, and I have it in a big picture, but the picture is just so ugly. I just wanted something just better looking because it's like a Kool-Aid look. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. So I just wanted to get something a little sleeker looking. So I'm glad they had this because this was exactly what I was looking for. I didn't even know that was exactly what I was looking for. The home store at home. I got these artificial plant balls. They're called kissing balls. So I purchased this one, and then they had 3 sizes. This was the smallest, and then they had this, which was the next size, and then they have one that was, oh, this is coming out. Oh no. Oh, I could stick it right back on. Okay, good. Can I? Yeah. And then they had another larger one, but I love these. I think these are so cute. They are so cute. I think that I'm gonna put them up like on top of the cabinets. That's cute, right? Aren't these cute? So this is the other thing that I purchased. It's dry branches. Dry branches, $10. At first you think I could just go outside and do that, and you could. But by the time you make it look like this, you're gonna be out by 10 bucks. So I think that this is worth it. Just gonna stick it in a corner somewhere. I don't know where yet, but it's cute. You know what? Wow. Okay, so I was just looking at this and it says, I didn't look at the back of this, and it said $29.99. They put a sticker on top of it that said 30, but then when I got to the register it was 35. So I said 35, that's okay for this. But now that I see that they had a tag on it that was 30, I think that's a lot more reasonable, and I might return this. But it's 4 separate pieces. I don't know where it's gonna go, what I'm gonna do with it. I just been on this super like getting rid of stuff, organizing stuff, making stuff look like really how I want it to look type thing. So that's why I've been buying a lot more like art and decor and just stuff to put around the house, just because I'm tired of not absolutely loving my house. Because rent costs, first of all, rent costs so much money, and I spend most of my time here. So I need the place that I spend most of my time for me to absolutely love and feel good in. So yeah, is that all I bought? That is all I bought. I feel like I was so many places yesterday and I really didn't get that much stuff, but I also had to return a bunch of stuff. I'm going to try. I want to go to the gym later tonight. That's really what I want to do. It's 5:40. It's about 5:40, so I want to go to the gym at the latest, maybe 7. Maybe the later it gets, the less I'm motivated to go. But I want to go to the gym. I'm going to eat right now just because I'm super hungry. I made chicken, broccoli, cauliflower, and some rice. So I'm going to eat that. Me and the baby, well, he already ate, but he'll probably eat some of my food because he really did eat, actually. So we'll probably just sit and eat, and then I'll head off to the gym, possibly. I have to go to the gym. I have to not make excuses anymore. Yes. I keep forgetting to vlog. I'm not a vlogger, okay? I keep forgetting to vlog. That's okay. I'm gonna upload it today, possibly tomorrow morning, regardless. But I haven't vlogged at all the last few days, and I really haven't even done anything. Right now we're just at Walmart getting some Walmart things. I need wrapping paper for sure, but I was gonna go inside, but the baby's in the back. He fell asleep, so I'm just hanging out with him. And then when he wakes up, I'm just gonna wait for him to come back into the car, and then I'm gonna go run in, grab some wrapping paper. I really wanted some. I went in Target. I was surprised. Sometimes I'm surprised at the things that Target doesn't have. Like, I wanted I wanted Mickey Mouse wrapping paper, Christmas wrapping paper, and they didn't have any. They had like this really cute wrapping paper, which I might just end up getting, we'll see. But it was Disney, a whole bunch of Disney characters, but it was like very subtle Christmassy, and I just wanted like you'd be able to look at it and just tell that it was Christmas for no reason but my own, because he's 2 and he could probably care less if it looks like Christmas or not. I mean, even if he was 12, I'm sure he's not going to look at it and be like, this wrapping paper, this isn't Christmassy, I don't want it. No, he's not going to. So yeah, that's really what I want. I want to get a couple of, excuse me, I need a couple of groceries, mainly these eggs. They're fake eggs, they're made out of beans, they're called just eggs. He loves them and eats them for breakfast a few times a week, so we're out of those. I want to get those. Fruit, he loves fruit. That fruit, and then the wrapping paper. So yeah, Lord have mercy. Why is December just flying by? It just doesn't make no sense, and I haven't even started Christmas shopping yet. Lord have mercy. I'm getting wrapping paper and I have no gifts. Does it make sense? Let's just make it make sense. It doesn't make sense. All right, so I will talk to you all.